Alright everybody, so I got another exciting, tantalizing episode here for you. Just started another kit here to see the Revell. There's a look at the Revell 1970 Dodge Charger. It's Dominic's from the Fast and Furious movie. Hey, 70 Charger. Because why go wrong with a Charger at all? Hey, so I just started this one a couple days ago. And I just want to show you where I'm at. Let me put the box down here. Got a lot of stuff going on here right now. So, like I said, I like to start painting on the trees. So I have parts painted, ready to roll. Almost everything here is ready to go. I got some stuff here, the rear end, looking good. Painted a few colors. Dashboard. Dashboard's got some glue drying on it. It tells you to, for the gauges, to cut the decal and put it on there. But the decal kind of wants to, a curl on the edges there, so that's just black wood grain, and then the decal that may not actually sit there properly. It's okay. There's part of the front suspension, got a couple colors on it. It's all on how the colors you use it, right? Kind of like here, you use the 3 different colors and it looks cool. Here's my interior so far. It's got a flat black floor pan, gloss black, gray with silver trimming on the doors. It's got a steel roll bar and obviously a red fire extinguisher. That's the word I was looking for. The seats I was painting gray and black, but I was hand painted it all and I kind of screwed them up, and that was when I screwed up. So those are going to get repainted. They're going to still be black, but the inserts may or may not be there. But that's okay. The chassis itself here, it came in the box warped. It was all kinds of funky. So what I did was, this here was like twisted all like, whoa. So what I did was like, held it over a candle and kind of bent it back into shape. And I think I got it pretty dang good. So we'll see what happens. So, and then underneath, it's just flat black and aluminum. But yeah, coming out of the box all warped and funky. It's kind of funky. Now, the pride and glory of this bad boy here is the engine. Look at the work I did on that. All straight out of the box, just different color paints. Why don't you soak that in for a second. That came out really good. So I'm really happy with that. So the color I chose on it was, I had a couple leftover cans of this Testor's Blue 1208. So I'm going to spray those up. And I have the color nicely painted on the body. It's a little light. Should have used this color on a 69 Camaro, but hey, it is what it is. So, needs a little wet sanding. And then the hood needs a sanding and a repaint. It got all sorts of bubbles and crap in it. Look at that. So, oh well. But the body itself is looking really good. So that's going to be really sharp, especially with the, my desk is a mess here, apologize for that, especially with the engine coming out. It's going to be really cool. So yeah. Alright, so I'll keep you guys posted on what goes on here with this. And I hope everybody's doing well. I truly mean that. And I'll talk to you guys in a little bit when I get some more done. Everybody, take care.